Hi Juan, welcome back. This is Miss Castañeda. We're going to be reviewing the letters A through E. I'm not sure where you were left off, but let's go ahead and refresh our memories. So let's go ahead and have the sounds. So let's go ahead and start with the first one. So we have so the letter A makes a sound. The letter B makes the sound B. The sound B. The letter C makes a sound K. K. Letter D makes a sound D. Letter E makes the sound E. So I want you to go ahead and review the sounds. And now we are going to go ahead and start with the one that you left off in. So I see that you left off with the letters F through L. So let's go ahead and start with the letter. What letter is this? F. What letter? Great job. What is the sound? F. What letter? F. What sound? Good job. What is the letter? G. What's the sound? G. What is the letter? H. What's the sound? H. What is the letter? I. What's the sound? E. What is the letter? I. What's the sound? I or E. What is the letter? J. What's the sound? J. What is the letter? K. What's the sound? K. What is the letter? L. What's the sound? L. So we're going to go ahead and stop right there. So what I want you to do in your packet is to go ahead and complete these worksheets for your IEP goal. This will be your IEP goal number 1. I want you to record yourself saying the sounds and send me a video of you saying the sounds F through L. Well, say the sound and the letter. Good luck. Alright, Juan, so now we're going to go ahead and start with goal number 2. So let's go ahead and go to goal number 2. So goal number 2 says that you are, when given verbal prompts, you will answer, and multiple choice questions will make basic inferences about characters and situations when we present with a picture in an oral short story. So right here, I'm going to read you the story and you're going to answer. It says, Kyle ran into his house, slamming the door behind him. He threw his book bag on the floor and plopped dead on the couch. After 6 hours of playing grand larceny, he ate some pizza and fell asleep with a slice on his stomach and his feet on his book bag. When Kyle came home from school next day, he was noticeably distraught. He balled up his report card and placed it inside a soup can in the garbage. He then flipped the soup can upside down in the garbage and arranged loose pieces of trash over it. As he plopped down on the couch, he let out a sigh and picked up his controller. So, Juan, who was distraught? So go back in the story and tell me who was feeling distraught. How do you know that he was feeling distraught? Okay, great job. So why does Kyle put the report card in a soup can? So why does he put the report card in a soup can? What happened? So let's go back here. It says when Kyle came home from school the next day, he was noticeably distraught. He balled up his report card and placed it inside a soup can in the garbage. So why does Kyle put the report card in the soup can? Okay, and how do you know that? So what here tells you that you know that he put the report card in his soup can? Was Kyle's report card good or bad, and why was it like that? So was it good or bad? By reading the story. How do you know that? Yes, great job. So I want you to write your answers here. Your answers are in the story. If you need help, please let me know and I will help you. So go ahead and begin and work on your first story. Good luck.